2015 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Still got factory converters on the manifolds, there and there. Then it's got secondary converters there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got a miniature resonator. Then what we did is put a Y pipe on it, right there. And then 2 1/4 out the back, right there and right there. Into 4-inch tips, dual tips. There and there. If you guys want the tips or the Y pipe, you can see the link in the description. Right there and there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Sound decibels, go ahead. Wow. 114, 115. That's how the muffler comes on these. That's why you have to put a Y pipe on it, because it comes single in, dual out. Sounds amazing. Oh, it's pretty long.